So this is the amount of money that I've got last week with the help of these. I made a nice selection based on my personal earnings, so you can choose for yourself. Hit that subscribe button, of course, and let's go and see. First one is called Enroll App. You can find it easier by putting it in Google search bar, Enroll App, and just clicking on this first one. There's a lot of money here, and you can get it pretty easily because you have to answer a few simple questions. These are like simple tests. It works all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you live. You can live in Africa, in Asia, wherever, you still get the money. Now, in order to start on Enroll App, you just have to sign up. You can do it with Google, and then you just go and answer these simple questions. So you can see that these are really easy questions. So how old were you when you had your blood drawn first? So just approximately, you can say like, I don't know, 2029, submit answer, and then you go. You don't care how did you stack up. These are the answers from other people. So you can just click on continue, and then you just go and answer a few of these other ones. Okay, so how often are you responsible for deciding what ideas your business pursues? So if you are a business owner, you are doing that very frequently, just click on that, or really whatever, submit answer. Once again, you do not care about this one, and you just have to go and answer a lot of these polls, okay? And then after that, you can get paid, and you can get a lot of money. All you have to do is to click here on financials, and then just enter in your PayPal account so you can just withdraw that. That's how easy it is with this one. Next one on the list is called SuperPay.me, and here you just have to do various tasks in order to get a lot of money. And I really mean it, guys. A lot of money is here as well. So you can just go and you can just invest a bit of your time here, do some of these tasks, and get PayPal, Bitcoin, even whatever you want. And of course, in order for you to be sure that this is a legit website, I went on Trustpilot to see 4.6 out of 5. A lot of good comments here. You can see that people are really satisfied. I really love the website. It does pay. You can see people are really recommending even this website, so you can go and check it out. They have fast payouts, just like they say here, guys. Fast payment. You have 8-hour payment promise, as you can see, so you get that money really fast to you. These guys also have these regular $1,000 cash contests, and that's something like activity competition. So the more active you are, the more chances you've got to get that money for yourself, which is just some free money. You just have to complete those tasks and you get that money. And of course, then you compete with other people, just like on FreeCash.com, for example. They have these leaderboards, and that functions just like on SuperPay.me, but here on FreeCash, people are splitting these $500 daily. So you can be down here. You don't have to be first or second or third. You get a lot of that money if you are active, and this is happening each day, okay? So each day you have a chance to get a split from this. So you can get 20-30 bucks each day if you are being active, and each month you can get like $100 or $200 even if you are on this monthly leaderboard, and that's just some crazy money on FreeCash.com. They have various earning options. You have these featured offers, offer walls, surveys, and just take a look at these cash out options. You can get some crypto, you can get Bitcoin, but there's PayPal money as well, so you can enjoy that. Plenty of money all around, so hit that subscribe button for more. On FreeCash.com, apart from getting some PayPal money for yourself, you have these like Netflix subscriptions, and I think that this is really crazy. I mean, it's a good opportunity for anyone, so you don't have to pay for Netflix subscription ever again if you just try to use FreeCash. And just take a look at this, guys. $13.61 is the average money earned by users yesterday. So someone made like $8, someone made like $50. This is just average amount. But let us, for example, just calculate that with the average amount. If you do that for each day in a month, guys, that's like $400 for you, and that's a lot of money for just completing simple tasks. $400, and that's just for average Joe, and you can be more active and get even more money, and then of course get a little bit of this money each day from these leaderboards, and that's that's the sweetest thing that you can do. Of course, I want to show you this on Trustpilot, 4.6 out of 5, and just take a look at this, 20,000 reviews on FreeCash.com, even more than SuperPay.me, but if you use them in a combination, guys, then you can really go to success. Also, there are good comments here on Trustpilot for FreeCash. You can see that people are truly satisfied, so you will be as well. Trust me, it's a good website, a lot of money you can make, and you can use it every day. In fact, I suggest that you use it every day because these leaderboards are one-of-a-kind opportunity. Now, the next one is called like Instagc, and you can see the same principle here. Complete surveys, watch videos, shop online, search the web. Now, searching the web, maybe it is the most easiest thing to do. You get a lot of money for doing the stuff you do regularly, okay? You go on the internet, you just search the web, and you get that money. If you want to watch videos, this will be redirected website. So Hideout TV is working with Instagc, and they will send you here in order for you to watch some videos. Of course, you just watch the video you enjoy. You can just search if you are interested in certain topics, and then just enjoy, lay back, and watch a few of these videos in order to get some nice amount of money. Now, this website is called Try My UI, and it is really similar to Enroll App. As you can see, you will just remote usability test few websites. So certain companies are given this to Try My UI for them to try find some people who are gonna test and review their website. So they want to check, is everything working correctly? Is everything perfect on their website? So that's gonna be your job. So just go to Try My UI and click on Get Paid to Test, and then just complete this simple information about yourself. You will get paid through PayPal, as you can see, and there is no limit on the number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few each week. So if you combine this one with all of these other ones, well, you can get yourself a lot of money, guys. Now, guys, if you like to do surveys, well, look no further, because SurveyTime.io, as you can see, you can get PayPal, you can get some Coinbase, that is crypto, but this website has nice surveys which are giving you $1 for every survey that you complete. But do not think that this is low amount, because surveys here are 5 minutes long. In 1 hour, that is 60 minutes long. If you divide that by 5, you can do 12 of these, guys, okay? So 12 of these you can do in 1 hour, and that's great, guys. That's $12 in an hour, and if you do that for, I don't know, 4 hours, just take a look at this, $48. SurveyTime can be really profitable if you just apply yourself, if you invest a bit of your time. The process is as simple as can be. SurveyTime has a lot of reviews on Trustpilot, as you can see, and they've got 4.5 out of 5, and a lot of these comments are really great, legit and trustworthy, exceptionally reliable and rewarding. SurveyTime is my lifetime earning. Only good comments for this one, because, well, it is very good, guys. You can get a lot of money just with the clicks of your mouse and keyboard, and that is what we all love, right? So all in all, my suggestion would be go and combine all of these, get them money for yourself, and I'll catch you guys later.